You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborski.
Is AI-generated content unique and SEO friendly? So there's a concern amongst a lot of people about whether the content suggested or created by ChatGPT really is unique enough to stand out on its own and is optimized for search engines to drive organic traffic. Well, I'm going to be talking about how to use AI to help you generate, how to create SEO-friendly copy. But where I draw the line between using AI to generate an entire blog post or a script that I would read, I do not do that. So I think making it unique to your voice comes with writing a script, using an outline, speaking the words, and then using that content as the way to SEO it, write blog posts, and repurpose your content. So there's a big difference there because I have tried using AI to write an entire blog post. And what it comes up with really kind of reminds me of the days of when I used to outsource my content to someone else to have them write about it. It's very textbooky. It doesn't reflect my voice. It's not talking about the things I'm doing with people in my business, things like that. That's why I always create a script, an outline, and then I sit down and film it using a script just like I'm doing here. So my answer really is on its own. You could use it, but you're going to need a lot of rewriting and things like that to really make it unique and effective and SEO friendly without jumping into or getting dinged for plagiarized content. Okay, so that's my personal opinion and experience on whether or not AI content really is unique and SEO friendly.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.